What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I got my monthly Glovebox detail. But here's the thing. This isn't the same size or shape or anything. I've never seen Fragile before. Let's open this. I'm very excited. Oh my goodness. Guys, I can't explain how excited I am right now. I was seeing some things posted. I don't want to spoil it right now, but I'm very pumped. Turtlewax recently just had their 75th year celebration, and they came out with this wax. And I have a feeling that it's going to be in here, and I'm very excited because I wanted to order it, and everywhere I looked, it was basically saying out of stock, not shipping for 3 to 4 weeks. I got really discouraged. Oh my god. There it is. There it is. Team Glovebox. They partnered with Turtlewax for a Turtlewax takeover. $125 value in this box. I'm telling you, I do these videos and I'm not sure if you see the value or if you truly understand the value, but it's here. Look at this. That is so dang cool. 75th anniversary hat. So cool. Applicator. Look at the wax. Ceramic graphene paste wax. I am obsessed with waxes. Look at this. Signed. This is really awesome. Cool sticker. I love stickers. Wax before you ride. A clean car is always a better driving vehicle. Ask anybody. They'll tell you. Look at this. We got t-shirts. Are you kidding me? This is actually really a cool t-shirt. I'm gonna wear this. Wax before you ride. Yo, I'm really happy that they didn't put like a ginormous logo on the back of that one, because I'm planning on wearing that. I want a gray shirt. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Are you joking? This is cool. Cool logo. Subtle. This feels like this is not a cheap, flimsy t-shirt. And here we go. A nice microfiber to buff off. I don't even want to throw the box away. Just the box is awesome. Let's take a moment to appreciate the box. 75 years. Way to go. Company is just... I'm going to save that. Company's just putting in work. Making amazing products, especially the last couple years. There's just been a lot. There's just been a lot going on. I have to smell it. It's got a nice smell, and I like that it's not like really difficult to open and close it. And we got like a little applicator, nice brand new foam. I like that it's black so I can see everything on there. Guys, this is such a cool little treat, a little surprise, a little fun thing. We got 2 cool shirts that I'm absolutely gonna wear. I'm very excited about. And then you got a paste wax that just came out, and everybody's raving about. So I get to try this out, and now I'm very fortunate and blessed. I'm happy. I got a new hat that I will wear, especially with that shirt. Got decals, which I could put anywhere, and I love. And I got a little 2 towel thing to buff off the wax. Very, very cool. If you are not on this movement, the Glovebox Detail movement, you are missing out. I'm sorry. But go to Glovebox Detail. I'm going to link them down below. You can use code OCD. I believe when you sign up, you might get like something off on your first month. I don't really know too much. Again, I'm doing this because I love the products I get. I wouldn't endorse this product, I wouldn't endorse this company if I didn't stand behind it and say truly that if you trust my judgment and I tell you that you're getting your value from your money, then you should just look into this. Do your research, of course, but obviously, you know, just take a deep, hard look at it. This is a unique blend of 10 waxes infused with SiO2 and graphene for intense gloss, slickness, durability, and UV protection. That sounds like one heck of a paste wax. So if you are not on this, get on this, try this. This is very cool. And they do little random surprises. Like every box is different. They have little themes, and their cards always are just, it's great. It's honestly a great thing. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of your support. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys like these videos, and let me know if you like this box. I think it's a pretty cool box. I think it's very worth it. $125 worth of product. Swag. You got swag, and your car is going to have swagger. Can't beat it. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.